Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Sanyo Roku TV. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset simply by using the button on the back of the TV. Of course, without using the remote. Okay, now if you look in the back of the TV where the ports are, you should see a like a little hole. It says reset here. Okay, so what you want to do is get a like a pen or something, because you gotta go ahead and stick it in there. Now the thing is, you don't want to stick it in there and just press once, because if you do that, it's just going to restart the TV. If you want to do a factory reset, what you got to do is first just leave the TV on, and then what you want to do is press and hold this and don't let go until the Sanyo logo pops up on the TV, and then let go. And that typically, as soon as you push this button, it typically takes about like 10-15 seconds, and then once the Sanyo logo appears, then you can go ahead and let go. So we're going to do this together, okay? Okay, so go ahead and have your TV on, and then let me go ahead and look for that little hole. Okay, there it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press in. Okay, I'm going to press in and hold. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Do not let go. I'm still holding onto that button, that reset button on the back of the TV. Still holding, waiting for a Sanyo logo to appear. Still holding. There it is. Now I can go ahead and let go and give this 1 second. Okay, and there we go. And this, once you go ahead and once the Sanyo logo appears, usually takes about like 15-20 seconds. Just wait. It'll go ahead and turn black and turn back on, and then you'll get to this. Let's get started. And you got to choose your language as if you just bought a brand new and took it out of your box. Anyway, that's how you factory reset a Sanyo Roku TV without the actual remotes.